How to fix graphics card not detected in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix your graphics card not detected in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you need to just simply right click on your Windows, and then you'll find an option of system configuration. If you don't find it right here, then you just need to simply go with your search and search for system configuration and click on it. Once you do that, you need to check the normal setup, click on apply, and then OK. It may prompt you to restart your computer, so go ahead. Once you're back, you need to search for the device manager. Once you search for the device manager, just simply click on it and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now left click on your PC name over here and then go to the action option. After that, go with scan for hardware changes. Once you do that, you need to just simply go with the display adapters right here. Go with the drop down and select your graphics card. Right click on the graphics card that you're using and then you'll have an update option. Go with update driver and then search automatically for drivers and make sure that everything is up to date. If it seems like it's off, you can actually go to the official website of that graphics card. Like for example, I'm using Intel. Go with the official website of Intel or NVIDIA and download their application. It will be much more easier in there because sometimes Windows will not be able to detect if your graphics card is up to date or not. So once you've successfully downloaded the application or the software, they should be able to detect and provide you with the latest version of your graphics card and your problem will be fixed. Once done, everything should now be back to normal and fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.